What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am the Makeup Traveler. If you're an oldie but goodie, I thank you for coming back for yet another video. So in today's video, I have for you this blue goddess look that I am absolutely in love with. And if you guys are in love with this look as well, definitely stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. Alright guys, so I've already done my brows and prepped my eyelids for the shadows. Today we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and we're going to jump right into our crease color, which we're going to take Burkini, place that right in the crease, and then we're going to follow that up with a darker color. Next, we're going to take the color Fawn and place that right in the crease as well. Grabbing the color Otta, we're going to take that and we're going to place it under the crease. Just taking a regular blending brush to blend out those colors. Now for this step, you can take any black shadow that you would like. I am going to go into my favorite black right now, which is the City Mini MakeupShayla palette, and I'm going to grab that black out of there and I'm going to pop that right on the outer corner of my eye, seeping a little bit into the crease. Taking our NYX eyeshadow base in the color white, we're going to carve out a half moon on the frontal part of the eyelid. This step is really important. You need to let your white eyeshadow base dry just a little bit before you apply the color. If not, then you're gonna have a big mess all over your eyelids. So while that is drying down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face. we're gonna jump right back into our Masquerade palette, and we're gonna grab the color Dahlia out of this palette, and we're gonna place that right on top of our white eyeshadow base. I'm just going to grab my E.L.F defining eye brush, and I'm going to apply that on the lid. And right on top of this color, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Day and Night palette, and I'm going to grab this blue color directly out of that palette and place it on top of Dahlia. Going back into my City Mini palette by MakeupShayla, I'm going to grab this black color and place it on the outer corner of my eye just to even out the edges of the blue. Now that we've already majority finished the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm going to conceal with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey, and I'm also going to contour using my black Radiance in the color Light to Medium. Jumping right into my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, I'm going to take this and apply it to my cheeks, and this is in the color Feisty. Now that all of that is applied, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray. We're going to let that dry just a little bit. While that continues to dry, I'm going to apply a little bit of my highlighter, and today I am using the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter in the color Crown of my Canopy. And I'm just going to take a regular fan brush and apply that to my highlighted areas. Now that we have the rest of our face finished, we're going to go ahead and jump right back into the Masquerade palette as well as our City Mini palette, and we're going to place the same colors that we placed on our lid. We're going to place them underneath our waterline as well. So we're going to grab a BH Cosmetics brush, the number 122 out of the gold pack, and we're going to take the color Burkini and we're going to follow that up with Fellini. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and do our lips. We're going to take our NYX Cosmetics Lip Pencil in the color Brown Cafe, and we're also going to take our NYX Matte Lipstick in the color Shy. Alright guys, well this concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that way you can be updated anytime I upload anything here on my channel. I'm so proud of the family that we are growing and the family that we are going to continue to grow. We're on our way to 100K. So definitely make sure you share this with your friends, share this with Ray, Junebug, Nim, everybody at the picnic. Make sure you share this video with everybody so we can expand our family even more. I love you guys till no end, and Lord willing, I will see you all in my next video. Peace. Say my name, say my name, say my name, say my name.